Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Volkswagen Golf, stock reference number 5868. This shape ran from the 10th of 2008 to the 1st of 2016. It has a CAVD 4-cylinder 1.2 litre twin-charged petrol engine backed by a manual front-wheel drive transmission. Here we have our CAVD 4-cylinder 1.2 litre twin-charged petrol engine. Right hand headlight, left hand headlight, left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre, bonnet, no dents, left hand mirror, left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch rim, good tyre, left hand tail light, tailgate, one dent, right hand tail light, right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, set 19-inch rim, good tyre, right rear door, no dents, right front door, one dent, right hand mirror, right front guard, no dents, right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 19-inch, good tyre, right hand headlight, right front door trim, right front master switch, center console, gear stick, heat AC controls, stereo head unit, interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy leather 3-spoke steering wheel with audio and cruise buttons.